welcomes you all on behalf of Triple IT Vadodara family to AICT QIP PG Certification Program 2025. Through this program in emerging areas, the AICT aims to make faculty members in core engineering branches to accompany from core engineering disciplines like mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, chemical branches to get trained in emerging areas, which in turn shall enable them to impart effective teaching to the students enrolled in courses in these areas. AICT this year have announced 64 such programs instead of 21 such programs in the last academic year, which is more than 3 times from the last year. This year, we are beginning with the hope that this will be our long-standing platform with the thoughtful leadership, collaboration and professional growth. This year, Triple IT Vadodara is hosting 2 such programs, one in AI, another one in cyber security, with 86 faculty members across the country. It's wonderful to see such a diverse and engaged group of professionals gathered in this one room. Over next 6 months, we will take you to the various concepts in the domain of AI and cyber security, and we expect learning from you also, sharing our knowledge, building connections that we hope will extend far beyond this program. I take this opportunity to introduce our esteemed guest today joining us on this occasion, Dr. Arvind Kumar Singh, Scientist G from SEC ISRO Ahmedabad, Sri Pradeep Narayankar Ji, Founder and CEO, PHN Technology Private Limited, Sri Sachin Badole Ji from PHN Technology for this event. Thank you very much for joining us. Now I request our director sir to felicitate our guest, Sri Arvind Kumar Singh Ji, with the flower bouquet. Yes.
દીવમાં ટ્રિપલ આઈટી વડોદરા દ્વારા એઆઈસીટી ક્યુપી પીજી સર્ટિફિકેટ કાર્યક્રમ 2025નો પ્રારંભ, જેમાં એઆઈ અને સાયબર સિક્યુરિટીમાં શિક્ષકોને નવી અને ઉભરતી ટેકનોલોજીની તાલીમ અપાશે. દીવ એજ્યુકેશન હબ ખાતે ટ્રિપલ આઈટી સેન્ટરમાં એઆઈસીટી ક્યુઆઈપી પીજી પ્રમાણપત્ર કાર્યક્રમના પ્રારંભમાં દીપ પ્રાગટ્ય બાદ ટ્રિપલ આઈટી વડોદરાના ડાયરેક્ટર દ્વારા પુષ્પગુચ્છથી મહેમાનોનું સ્વાગત કરવામાં આવ્યું. ત્યારબાદ કાર્યક્રમનું ઉદ્ઘાટન ડોક્ટર અરવિંદ કુમાર સિંહ દ્વારા કરવામાં આવ્યું. આ કાર્યક્રમનો મુખ્ય ઉદ્દેશ એ છે કે કોર ઇજનેરી શાખાઓ જેમ કે મિકેનિકલ, સિવિલ, ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ, કેમિકલ વગેરેના શિક્ષકોને નવી અને ઉભરતી ટેકનોલોજીની તાલીમ આપવી, જેથી વિદ્યાર્થીઓને અસરકારક રીતે શિક્ષણ આપી શકે. આ કાર્યક્રમ અંતર્ગત દેશભરના 85 ફેકલ્ટી સભ્યો ભાગ લઈ રહ્યા છે. એઆઈસીટી દ્વારા 64 એવા કાર્યક્રમો દેશભરમાં યોજાનારા છે. ટ્રિપલ આઈટીના ડાયરેક્ટર ધર્મેન્દ્ર સિંઘે પોતાના વિચારો અને અનુભવો ભાગ લેનારા ફેકલ્ટી સભ્યો સાથે વહેંચ્યા.
सुप्रभात. ट्रिपल आईटी वडोदरा के दीव कैंपस में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है और आशा है कि कल से आज तक आप इन्वायरमेंट को बहुत नज़दीक से देख चुके हैं. हमारा जो पर्पज है आपको यहाँ बुलाने का, वो सिर्फ इन्वायरमेंट से टच करा. बाकी प्रतीक ने बोला कि वी एज ए टीचर्स यूज्ड टू फॉर द मिस्टेक्स, वी यूज्ड टू लर्न फ्रॉम द मिस्टेक्स एंड क्लेवर टीचर यूज्ड टू लर्न फ्रॉम द अदर्स मिस्टेक. आई यूज्ड टू से दैट कि हम गड्ढे में कूद के गिर के देखें टायर टूटा कि नहीं, दैट इज नॉट अ वेरी क्लेवर टू जॉब. दूसरा कूद रहा है, देख लिया वो इसको गड्ढा है, पैर टूटेगा ही टूटेगा, then we have to enjoy that. So I hope first of all very warm welcome, and nowadays since last 6 months all over the India, all over the world, as a teacher we are facing a big challenge. What is that big challenge? How to retain the student in the class. If they are in the class, they should have in the class with their mind. बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. जस्ट लाइक आर्मी, जैसे फील्ड पे हम लड़ रहे हैं, आपके सामने बैठा हुआ है कोई और कुछ आपको देख ही नहीं रहा हो, टू मच फ्रस्ट्रेशन, आपको सुन ही नहीं रहा हो, आप डांट भी नहीं सकते, सब हाथ पाँव बधे हुए हैं टीचर, यू कांट डू एनीथिंग, तेज नहीं बोल सकते. And then you can see that how much 21st day was the yoga day. तो हमने कहा कितना योग आपको करना है. So that is a very important thing. And then nowadays, once the information, knowledge are flowing like a river, whatever be the thing you can say. Infinite informations are available on the internet or something like that. People used to assume, the student used to assume or we used to assume, अरे ये पढ़ लेंगे तो मिल जाएगा, ये कभी मिलता नहीं है. 90% things which you are getting from the internet, maximum time it is not relevant to your work. And that duty, then our duty starts. कि क्लास में उनको बताएं कि आप ये गलत समझ रहे हैं. Second very important thing which which day-to-day life we are expecting, कि now the era went, कि हमने होमवर्क दिया, हमने क्लास में बोर्ड पे पढ़ा दिया या पीपीटी से पढ़ा दिया, वो पढ़ लें. Nobody has the patience to listen you 50 minutes or 55 minutes. So now we are shifting towards studying to learning phase. For that purpose we have to do a very, very hard work. How to give them to learn the thing, to understand the things. That is one of the biggest challenge now which we are facing. अभी इसका कोई जैसे है ना, हर फैमिली का अपना एक मॉड्यूल होता है. आपका बच्चा रो रहा हो सकता है वो दूध पीने के लिए रो रहा हो, उसका बच्चा रो रहा हो सकता है वो कुछ और उसको लग रहा हो. You can't say कि the same similarity will be there. रो रहा है इसका मतलब दूध ही पिलाना है. So each and every class is a very different. You can't say that कि अलजेब्रा की क्लास में वो जो एक्टिविटी हुई, the same activity we can do in the AI class and it will solve the problem. So first of all, it is my humble request to all of you that we should be very honest with ourselves. ये जो 6 महीने आपको मिला है, या आप कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे तब भी सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा, लेकिन आप उससे सो नहीं पाएंगे कभी. अगर आपने जस्टिफाई नहीं किया उसको, आप कितना भी हंस लो, by seeing the face I can tell you that you are not going to sleep very. जब भी कोई बात आएगी तो आपको एक अंदर से गिल्टी कॉन्शियस फील होगा, I did not do the justice for them. और जिस दिन आपको ये पता चल गया कि इस गिल्टी को हमें फील नहीं करना है, then you will enjoy life. The most toughest job टीचर के लिए होगी 1 घंटा किसी का लेक्चर सुनना, इट इज वेरी टफ. लगेगा सब फट्टे मार रहा है, सब गलत बता रहा है, वट एवर इज द थिंग. बट अभी मैंने 4-5 दिन पहले भी कहीं बोला, बिकॉज नाउ इट इज देयर इज अ बिग डिबेट इन द कंट्री कि बच्चों को क्लास में बुलाएं या ना बुलाएं. सो क्लास डजंट मीन ओनली टीचिंग. Class gives you the disciplines to understand the people, to understand your friends, to work together. अभी हम किसी को बोल दें कि 5 मिनट एक्सटेम्पोर बोलो, मैक्सिमम लोग नहीं बोल पाते. They used to write in WhatsApp chat or SMS. They are very good. They write very nicely, but for speaking they cannot. So the first very important thing which we have to start in our life, to be very honest with ourselves. उस honest का कोई अभी maybe I will take tomorrow class. उस honesty का कोई हमारे पास evaluation parameters नहीं है कि हम उसके quality parameter देख रहे हैं, efficiency देख रहे हैं. It is not there. It depends upon person to person. So first very the things which I want to convey from this platform, because we have a young brain from all over the country. We should be very honest with ourselves. Second very important thing, make a small group. Last time our experience was very, very good. 50 participants came from the different part of the country, and I am getting approximately every month 2 or 3 mails. सर हमारे यहाँ कोर्स हो रहा है, लेक्चर दे दीजिएगा, हमने ये ग्रुप बनाया है, लेक्चर दे दीजिएगा. अदरवाइज ये सब लोग आपको एक साथ कहाँ मिलने वाले हैं? कितना भी आप चिट चैट कर लीजिए, जो फिजिकल बॉन्डिंग से जो चीज़ें बन पाती हैं वो कभी नहीं